Hello students, welcome back to my class. Today I am going to teach class 7th. Subject is English and the sub-subject is honeycomb. Topic is a bicycle in good repair. This is the part 2 of this topic. I have taught you part 1 in previous class. In this class I will teach you the part 2 of a bicycle in good repair. So let's start explaining the chapter. The first paragraph in part 2 is, he then said that while he was about it, he would see to the chain for me, and at once began taking off the gear case. I did try to dissuade him from that. I told him what an experienced friend of mine once said to me solemnly: if anything goes wrong with your gear case, sell the machine and buy a new one. It comes cheaper. So in this paragraph, the writer tells us that he then said that while he was about it, he would see to the chain for me. He then said, the friend of the writer said to him that while he was about it, he would see to the chain. Would see to the chain means check or examine the chain. He would examine the chain. He would check the chain of the bicycle for me. He would check the chain. He would examine the chain of the bicycle for me, for the writer. And at once began taking off the gear case. And at once, after saying this, he started to take off the gear case of the bicycle. ये क्या करके उसने क्या गियर केस, बाइसिकल का जो गियर केस था उसको निकालना शुरू कर दिया. I did try to dissuade him from that. The writer tried to dissuade him, tried to stop him doing that, but he was not succeeded. His friend told him that no, it is must. I did try to dissuade him from that. The writer tried to dissuade him, to stop him from doing that. I told him what an experienced friend of mine once said to me solemnly. Solemnly, you can say seriously. I told my friend that one of my friend told me seriously that an experienced friend of mine once said to me solemnly, if anything goes wrong with your gear case, sell the machine. If anything goes wrong with the gear case of your machine, if the gear case of your bicycle is not working properly, then what to do? The machine, then sell the machine. Then you sell the machine, you sell the bicycle and buy a new one. It comes cheaper. And you buy a new one, you buy a new bicycle because it comes cheaper. If you are going to repair your gear case, it would be more, you can say, expensive. So don't go for repairing your gear case. If there is any difficulty, any problem in your gear case, then you change your bicycle, you buy a new one. Now come to the next one. He said, people talk like that who understand nothing about machines. Nothing is easier than taking off a gear case. Then his friend replied to him. Then his friend told him that people talk like that. लोग तो ऐसी बातें करते ही हैं. People talk like that who understand nothing about machines. The person who don't understand anything about machine, they talk like that. They talk like that to buy a new bicycle instead of repairing the old one. Nothing is easier than taking off a gear case. Nothing is easier than taking off a gear case. Means taking off a gear case is very easy. It is very easy to take off the gear case. Gear case को जो है निकालना बहुत आसान है. I had to confess, he was right. In less than 5 minutes, he had the gear case in 2 pieces, lying on the path, and was growling for screws. He said it was always a mystery to him the way screws disappeared. Now I had to confess. Confess किसी चीज़ को मान लेना. I had to confess he was right. At that time the writer confessed that he was right. He was right that to take off the gearbox is an easy work. उस वक्त जो है राइटर को मानना पड़ा, जो है उसके दोस्त की बात, कि गियर केस को निकालना बहुत ही आसान है. Why? In less than 5 minutes he had the gear case in 2 pieces. In less than 5 minutes he had the gear case in 2 pieces. He had the gear case in 2 pieces means he take off the gear case from the bicycle and it was in 2 pieces lying on the path, and those gear cases were lying on the path, and was growling for screws. And my friend was also growling for searching for screw. He was in search of the screws of the gear case. Why? He said it was always a mystery to him. It is always a secret with him that to him the way screws disappeared. Means he always lost some of the screws. If he is going to unscrew something, he always lost some of them. अगर किसी स्क्रू को वो खोलता है, ओपन करता है इसका दोस्त, तो उसने क्या कहा कि अगर मैं किसी स्क्रू को खोलता हूँ तो हमेशा किसी न किसी को जो है गायब कर देता हूँ, 1-2 स्क्रू को गायब ही कर देता हूँ. A mystery to him the way screws disappeared. In the way the screws disappeared. कि स्क्रूज को क्या होते हैं, जब वो ओपन करता है डिसअपियर हो जाते हैं, गायब हो जाते हैं. Common sense continued to whisper to me, stop him before he does any more mischief. You have a right to protect your own property from the ravages of a lunatic. Take him by the scruff of the neck and kick him out of the gate. Common sense. Now the writer tells us that the common sense of the writer. Common sense continued to whisper to me. My common sense continued to whisper to me. Continue to tell me. Continue to whisper me. मेरे common sense ने जो क्या मुझे whisper किया, मुझे जो है उन्होंने बताया, उन्होंने जो है करने के लिए कहा. whisper करना, धीरे आवाज़ में बिल्कुल बोलना. Whisper to me, stop him. My common sense told me that stop him. My common sense told me to stop him. मेरे common sense ने उसे रोकने के लिए कहा. Before he does any more mischief. Before he does any more mischief with the bicycle. Before he does any more wrong thing with the machine, with the bicycle. इससे पहले कि वो कोई और mischief करे, गलती करे. You have a right to protect your own property from the ravages of a lunatic. Ravages means damages and lunatics means mad person. So, you have a right to protect your own property. The writer's common sense told him that you have a right to protect your own property. The machine, the bicycle is your own property. That is not belonging to, the machine is not belonging to that person who is going to hurt it. Property, your own property from the ravages of a lunatic, from the ravages, from the damages that a lunatic, that a mad person is going to make with your bicycle. So the common sense of the writer told him to stop that person to make any mistake with your bicycle. That person is a mad person. He is going to damage your bicycle. So stop him. Don't let him do anything with your bicycle. Take him by the scruff of the neck. Take him by the scruff of the neck. उसकी गर्दन पकड़ कर ले जाओ. And kick him out of the gate. And kick him out of the gate. Don't let him do anything with your bicycle. Catch him. Take him by the scruff of the neck. गर्दन पकड़ कर उसे ले जाओ. And kick him out of the gate. और उसे गेट के बाहर धकेल दो. But I am weak when it comes to hurting other people's feeling, and I let him muddle on. Muddle on means mix up things. But I am weak when it comes to hurting other people's feelings. But the writer tells us that he tells us that I am weak if I am weak when it comes to hurting other people's thought, when it is means I am not able to hurt any other people's thought. I don't want to hurt any other people's any other people's feelings. And I let him muddle on. That's why I let him muddle on. I let him do the wrong things. I let him mix up the things. Muddle means mix up the things. I let him mix up the things in my bicycle, in my machine. Mix up the things of my bicycle or of my machine. Next, he gave up looking for the rest of the screws. He said screws had a knack of turning up when you least expected them, and that now he would see to the chain. He tightened it till it would not move. Next he loosened it until it was twice as loose as it was before. Then he said, we had better think about getting the front wheel back into its place again. Now in this paragraph, the writer tells us that he gave up looking for the rest of the screws. He gave up, उसने छोड़ दिया क्या करना, looking of searching the screws of the machine that he had lost. He gave up looking for the rest of the screws. He gave up looking up for the search of the screws that he had lost when he unscrewed those screws. So gave up the search of the rest screws. And he said screws had a knack of turning up. Knack you can say chaturai. He said screws had a knack of turning up when you least expected them. Screws are very clever. He said screws had a knack of turning up. Screws are very clever. They can turn up, they can go away when you least expected them. When you least expected them means when you don't expect them to go away. At that time they go away from you. And that now we would see to the chain. And that now we would see to the chain. Now let us see the chain. Now let us give up searching the screws. Now let us go towards the chain. He tightened it till it would not move. He tightened it. He tightened the chain till it would not move. He tightened it till it was in a position not to move. उस वक्त तक उसने उसे जो है टाइट किया जब तक कि वो मूव या ऐसे पोजीशन में आ गया कि वो मूव ना कर सके. It would not move. Next he loosened it until it was twice as loose as it was before. Next he loosened it, and then after tightened it, he loosened it. How many? It until it was twice as loose as it was before. Until it was twice as loose as it was before. जितना पहले लूज था उसका डबल जब तक लूज नहीं हो गया तब तक उसने उसको लूज किया. As it was before. Then he said, we had better think about getting the front wheel back into its place again. Then he said to the writer, then he said to me, then he said, we had better think about getting the front wheel back into its place again. We had better to think to place the front wheel at its place again. We should fix the front wheel at its place again. हमें फ्रंट व्हील को उसकी जगह फिर से लगा देना चाहिए. I held now come to the next one. I held the fork open and he worried with the wheel. At the end of 10 minutes I suggested he should hold the fork and that I should handle the wheel, and we changed places. In this paragraph, the writer tells us, I held the fork open. I held the fork open. मैंने जो है फोर्क को हैंडल को ओपन कर लिया, बाहर निकाल लिया. एंड ही worried with the wheel. And he worried with the wheel. and my friend, he worried with the wheel. He was worrying with the wheel how to fix it. At the end of 10 minutes, I suggested, at the end of 10 minutes, means after 10 minutes you can say, after 10 minutes, I suggested him he should hold the fork. I suggested him he should hold the fork and that I should handle the wheel. And I told him that I should handle the wheel, he should hold the fork. जब मैंने फोर्क को उठाया तो अगले जो है व्हील को कैसे लगाना है वो समझ नहीं पा रहा था, जिसकी वजह से मैंने 10 मिनट के बाद मैंने उसको जो है मशवरा दिया, उसको सजेशन दिया कि वो अब फोर्क को हैंडल को पकड़ ले, मैं इसको फिक्स करता हूँ. एंड दैट आई शुड हैंडल द व्हील एंड वी चेंज्ड प्लेसेस एंड द राइटर एंड हिज फ्रेंड चेंज्ड प्लेसेस. एट लेंथ we did get the thing into position, and the moment it was in position, he burst out laughing. I said, "What's the joke?" He said, "Well, I am an ass." It was the first thing he had said that made me respect him. I asked him what had led him to the discovery. He said, "We have forgotten the balls." I looked for my hat. It was lying topsy-turvy in the middle of the path. He was of a cheerful disposition. He said, "Well, we must put back all we can find and trust to Providence." At length, after some time, finally, here can say, we did get the things into position. We did get the things into position means we fixed all the things into the machine. We fixed all the things of the machine at its right position. कुछ समय के बाद हमने क्या है मशीन की सभी चीज़ों को उसकी राइट पोजीशन पर फिक्स कर दिया. एंड द मोमेंट इट वॉज इन पोजीशन ही बर्स्ट आउट लाफिंग. व्हेन वी फिनिश्ड आवर वर्क एट दैट टाइम इट वॉज इन पोजीशन ही बर्स्ट आउट लाफिंग. माई फ्रेंड बर्स्ट आउट लाफिंग. माई फ्रेंड स्टार्टेड लाफिंग. जब हमने सभी चीज़ों को जोड़कर कंप्लीट कर लिया, सभी चीज़ें फिक्स हो गई, तो मेरा फ्रेंड जो है उसके बाद जो है वो हंस पड़ा, वो बहुत तेजी से हंस पड़ा. आई सेड, "व्हाट्स द जोक?" आई सेड टू हिम, आई टोल्ड हिम, "व्हाट वाज द जोक दैट यू आर लाफिंग? व्हाट इज द जोक? हियर इजंट एनी जोक एंड यू आर लाफिंग." ही सेड, "वेल, आई एम एन एस." ही सेड टू मी, "वेल, आई एम एन एस." मैं तो गधा हूँ. आई एम एन एस. It was the first thing he had said that made me respect him. It was the first thing that he said about himself that the writer respect that thought. Means the writer thought that he was actually an ass. He was actually a... I asked him what had led him to the discovery. I asked him. Then the writer asked him. I asked him what had led him to the discovery. What had led him? Led, the third form of lead, रहनुमाई करना, ले जाना. What had led him to the discovery means what had he found out? क्या चीज़ है जो उसे मिल गई? That he was laughing. He said, "We have forgotten the balls." Then at that time he told me, "We have forgotten the ball. We have forgotten the balls. We didn't fix the balls of the wheel at its right place. We didn't fix it in the wheels. That's why I am laughing that we had made mistakes." I looked for my hat. Then I looked for my hat. I searched for my hat, and my hat was lying there. Where? I looked for my hat. It was lying topsy-turvy in the middle of the path. Topsy-turvy, upside down. अपसाइड डाउन, उल्टा होना, किसी काम का उल्टा होना, जैसे हम सीधे खड़े हैं उल्टे खड़े हो जाएं. दैट इज कॉल्ड टॉप्सी टर्वी. सो इट वॉज लाइंग टॉप्सी टर्वी इन द मिडल ऑफ द पाथ. द हेड ऑफ द राइटर वॉज लाइंग ऑन द पाथ इन एज अपसाइड डाउन. उल्टी जो है वो टोपी जो है वहाँ पर पड़ी हुई थी पाथ पर. He was of a cheerful disposition. Disposition, you can say mood. He was in a cheerful disposition. He was in a happy mood. And he said, "Well, we must put back all we can find." Well, We must put back all we can find. We must pull back, we must search all the things, and we must put back all we can find, all the things that we can find to fix in the bicycle. And trust to providence, preparation for the future. And trust to providence, and we must trust, we must believe for the future work. Before we start repairing the bicycle, before we start positioning the parts of the bicycle at its right place again, we must collect all the things that are related to bicycle. The next time, अगली बार जब हम इसको फिक्स करें तो हम देख लें कि सभी चीज़ें जो हैं वहाँ पर जो बाइसिकल में लगानी है वो वहाँ पर है या नहीं. We must put back all we can find. We must pull back all the articles, all the things that we can find, that we have to fix in the bicycle. Come to the next one. We found 11. We fixed 6 on one side and 5 on the other, and half an hour later the wheel was in its place again. It need hardly be added that it really did obble now. A child might have noticed it. He said it would do for the present. We found 11. After the search we found 11 balls. ढूंढने के बाद हमें 11 balls मिले. We fixed 6 on one side and 5 on other, and we fixed 6 balls on one side and 6 balls on another side of the wheel. And half an hour later the wheel was in its place again, and after half an hour the wheel was at its place again. और आधे घंटे के बाद व्हील जो है अपनी जगह पर फिर आ गई थी. It need hardly be added that it really did obble now. It is now, actually it was now obble. It is now obble. It need hardly be added. It need hardly be added means we must add now. We must say now. We can say now that it really, we could say at that time that it really did obble now. It really did obble now. It really did move now. A child might have noticed it. A child might have noticed it. A child could notice that obble at that time. The obble that was present in the wheel could be noticed by a child. Could be noticed even by a child. एक बच्चे के द्वारा भी क्या है उसको नोटिस किया जा सकता था, जो उसमें उब्बल आ गया था, जो व्हील था जो मूव कर रहा था. He said it would do for the present. Then his friend told him that it was only for the present. It will only last for some time. It will last for long time. It is only for present. ये सिर्फ कुछ वक्त के लिए है, फिर क्या है यह ख़त्म हो जाएगा. Next, I said, watching you do this is the real use to me. It is not only your skill that fascinates me. It is your cheery confidence in yourself, your inexplicable hopefulness that does me good. I said, at that time, I told my friend, watching you do this is of real use to me. Watching you do this, watching you to repair my bicycle is, what is this? Is of real use to me. It was of real use to me. Means I enjoyed your company a lot. I enjoy watching you repair my bicycle a lot. It is not only your skill that fascinates me. Fascinate मोह लेना. It is not only the skills of repairing a bicycle, of repairing a machine that fascinates me. ये सिर्फ जो है बाइसिकल को रिपेयर करना ही नहीं है जिसने मुझे मोह लिया है तुम्हारा, बल्कि इट इज़ योर चेरी कॉन्फिडेंस. चेरी यू कैन से हैप्पी, गुड. इट इज़ योर गुड कॉन्फिडेंस दैट हैड फैसिनेटेड मी. ये तुम्हारे जो है कॉन्फिडेंस भी है जो तुम्हारे अंदर है, उसने भी मुझे क्या है मोह लिया है. that fascinated me. It is your cheery confidence in yourself, your inexplicable that cannot be explained, mysterious. Your inexplicable hopefulness, your unexplained hopefulness. You have hope, you have always hope that can't be explained. That does me good. That does me good means that is good for me, that I enjoyed or laughed. Now come to the next. Thus encouraged, he set to work to refix the gear case. He stood the bicycle against the house and worked from the offside. Then he stood it against a tree and worked from the onside. Then I held it from him while he lay on the ground with his head between the wheels and worked at it from below and dropped oil upon himself. Then he took it away from me and doubled himself across it till he lost his balance and slid over to his head. Then he thus encouraged. When I encouraged him, when the writer encouraged his friend, जब राइटर ने अपने दोस्त को इस तरह से इंकरेज किया कि तुम्हारे तो सभी कामों ने मुझे मोह लिया है बिल्कुल, तो क्या होगा? he set to work to fix the gear case. He said he went to fix the gear case. He started to fix the gear case. उसने गियर केस को जो है लगाना शुरू कर दिया. Refix the gear case. He stood the bicycle against the house. He take the bicycle and stood it against the house. उसने साइकिल को लिया और घर का जो है के अगेंस्ट लगा दिया. Worked house and worked from the offside, and he started to work from the offside. Offside and onsides are the two words that are used in cricket. Offside, that is offside, and onside. The both ways are divided as offside and onside. So then he stood it against a tree and worked from the onside, and after that he take the bicycle and put it against a tree and worked from the onside. पहले एक साइड से काम किया, फिर दूसरे साइड से उसने काम किया. Then he stood it against a tree and worked from the onside. Then I held it for him, and after that I held the bicycle for him. और उसके बाद मैंने जो है बाइसिकल को पकड़ लिया उसके लिए. While he lay on the ground with his head between the wheels, and at that time he was lying on the ground putting his head between the wheels. और फिर मैंने जो है बाइसिकल को पकड़ लिया और उसने जो क्या है ज़मीन पर लेटकर अपने जो है सर को दोनों व्हील्स के बीच में लगा लिया. Between the heels and worked at it from below, and he started to work on it from the below side. और वो फिर नीचे से उसने इस पर काम करना शुरू कर दिया. And dropped oil upon himself, and he also dropped some oil upon himself because he was working by lying on the ground and the bicycle was there upon him. That's why he lay some oil on himself. Then he took it away from me. Then he took the bicycle away from me. He had taken the bicycle from me. उसके बाद उसने साइकिल मुझसे ले ली. And doubled himself across it till he lost his balance and doubled himself across it. इसके आर पार अपने आप को उसने क्या किया? डबल कर लिया. उसके आर पार लेट गया. And doubled himself across it, और उसके आर पार जो है सो गया, यानी बीच में आकर के उसके बीच में आ गया. It till he lost his balance and slide over on to his. He had made the bicycle fallen among him. उसने अपने ऊपर जो क्या है बाइसिकल को गिरा लिया. Then he lost his temper and tried bullying the thing. The bicycle, I was glad to see, showed spirit, and the subsequent degenerated into little else than a rough and tumble fight between him and the machine. One moment the bicycle would be on the gravel path and he on top of it. The next, the position would be reversed. He on the gravel path, the bicycle on him. Now he would be standing flushed with victory, the bicycle firmly fixed between his legs. But his triumph would be short-lived. By a sudden quick movement it would free itself and turning upon him hit him sharply over the head with one of its handles. Then he lost his temper. When bicycle fallen down on him, he lost his temper and tried bullying the thing. And he tried to bullying the thing. बुली करना, किसी को जो चोट पहुंचाना, किसी के साथ शरारत करना. Okay, and tried bullying the thing, and he tried to bullying the thing. He tried to here can say fight against the thing, fight against the machine. The bicycle, I was glad to see, showed his spirit. At that time, the writer was glad, the writer was happy to see that the bicycle also show the spirit. बाइसिकल ने भी स्पिरिट अपनी दिखाई, ऐसा लगा कि उसके अंदर भी क्या है, जान आ गई हो. Showed spirit. And the subsequent you can say next, subsequent proceedings degenerated into little else than a rough and tumble fight. Rough and tumble, highly competitive. The meaning of rough and tumble is highly competitive. And the subsequent proceedings and the next proceeding, the next works, the next things degenerated into little else than a rough and tumble fight. The next proceeding was like a here can say highly competitive fight. Means the next work was looking as if the bicycle and my friend were fighting with one another. Fight between him and the machine. There was a rough and tumble fight. There was a highly competitive fight between the machine and my friend. One moment the bicycle would be on the gravel path. One moment the bicycle is on the gravel path. पथरीले रास्ते पर एक बार जो क्या होती थी, बाइसिकल होती थी. एंड ही ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट एंड माई फ्रेंड इज ऑन टॉप ऑफ द बाइसिकल. और मेरा दोस्त को यहाँ बाइसिकल के ऊपर होता था. द नेक्स्ट, बट एट द नेक्स्ट टाइम, लेकिन अगले ही लम्हे, अगले ही वक्त, द पोजिशन वुड बी रिवर्स्ड. द पोजिशन वुड बी रिवर्स्ड. द पोजिशन चेंज्ड. अगले ही वक्त क्या होता था, पोजीशन चेंज हो जाती थी. व्हाट इज, ही ऑन द ग्रेवल पाथ एंड द बाइसिकल ऑन हिम. ही ऑन द ग्रेवल पाथ, ही ऑन द स्टोरी पाथ एंड द बाइसिकल ऑन हिमसेल्फ. नाउ ही वुड बी स्टैंडिंग फ्लश्ड. फ्लश्ड हियर कैन से रेड फेस्ड, गुस्सा हो जाना, गुस्से से लाल हो जाना. नाउ ही वुड बी स्टैंडिंग फ्लश्ड विद विक्ट्री. नाउ he was standing first, he was standing with red face and showed his victory. With victory, he showed his victory. He showed as if he had won the, you can say, fight. The bicycle firmly fixed between his legs. The bicycle firmly fixed. The bicycle firmly fixed between his legs. He had taken the bicycle between his legs and it was firmly fixed. But his triumph would be short-lived. But his triumph, his victory, triumph means victory. His victory was short-lived. His victory was only for a short time. By a sudden, quick movement, it would free itself. By a sudden movement, the machine, the bicycle, freed itself. बाइसिकल ने अपने आप को फ्री कर लिया. Turning upon him. Turning upon him, the bicycle turned upon him. बाइसिकल उसके ऊपर टर्न हो गई, गिर गई. Hit him sharply over the head and the bicycle hit him sharply over my friend's head. और बाइसिकल ने मेरे दोस्त के हेड पर एक चोट पहुंचा दी. Head with one of its handle. With one of its handle. The bicycle made the bicycle upon him. The bicycle hit sharply over the head of my friend with its one of the handles. At 1:45, felt cut and bleeding. He said, "I think that will do. and rose and wiped his brow. 45 minutes. After half an hour. After half an hour, after some time, here you can say dirty and disheveled, disorderly. Dirty and disheveled, cut and bleedings. He was dirty after half an hour. He was dirty. He was disorderly. His clothes were disorderly, and there were cuts and bleedings on the body of my friend. At that time, he said, "I think that will do." He said, "I think that will do. That will do. That will work now. Your machine will work now." And rose and wiped his brow. And he rose up from his place and then wiped his brow up. The bicycle looked as if it also had enough of it, which had received most punishment. It would have been difficult to say. I took him into the back kitchen where, so far as was possible, he cleaned himself. Then I sent him home. The bicycle looked as if it also had enough of it. The bicycle was also looking as if he had enough of it. बाइसिकल के साथ भी ऐसा ही लग रहा था कि उसके साथ भी बहुत हो चुका. नाउ इट वॉज आल्सो, बाइसिकल वॉज आल्सो लुकिंग वेरी टायर्ड. अब बाइसिकल भी बहुत टायर्ड नज़र आ रही थी. विच हैड रिसीव्ड मोस्ट पनिशमेंट. इट वुड हैव बीन डिफिकल्ट टू से. विच हैड बीन रिसीव्ड मोस्ट पनिशमेंट. most punishment. My bicycle had got most punishment on that day, and it would have been difficult to say. It is very difficult to say that how much punishment did she get, did my machine get. I took him into the back kitchen. I took my friend into the back kitchen. So far as was possible, he cleaned himself. As much as possible, he cleaned himself. जितना भी possible हो सकता था, उसने अपने आप को साफ किया. Then I sent him home. And then I sent him home. I sent my friend home. I told him to go to his home. He returned back from my home. And this is the story of my bicycle. This is the story of a bicycle in good repair. Now my class is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.